Hello and welcome to the Firesky Reserve Villa 4-bedroom Butler Villa. Hey there, this is room category 4VP at the amazing Beaches Negril Resort and Spa. Hey, my name is Addison. I'm the founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and mycaribbeanluxury.com. It's always a pleasure to have you here on this channel, Mr. TraveLux. In this video today, we're going to peel the curtains back metaphorically and take you inside of this amazing villa, allowing you to really see what is possible for an amazing group or extended family stay. This resort is part of the amazing side of Jamaica in Negril, which has this famous 7-mile beach. You have both a Sandals, just a couple of resorts down, and then also this as well. Now, of course, Sandals are resorts that are predominantly focusing on couples, two people in love. Here at Beaches, these are resorts for everybody. If you're a person who wants to travel by yourself, if you're a couple, a small family, a large family, there is something here for you. And that's what we're going to feature today is what's possible when you're traveling with a few more people than normal. So in this particular villa, this can host 10 people, and it is truly stunning. It has all the modern innovations and all the most refreshed features that you would expect from a truly luxury brand like Beaches is. Also, there are some great amenities that come with this as well. So for example, when you land at the airport, if you're flying into Montego Bay, then you're going to get Club Mode Bay, so kind of the VIP start to your vacation. From there, you'll have a private transfer. And then here, when you are here as well, you're gonna have a dedicated butler team, so 24-hour butler service that can help you to customize what is best for you. So even something, for example, some snacks behind. Maybe there's something you really like and something maybe you're allergic to, right? This is what your butlers for every little detail of your stay, helping to make it customizable and perfect for you and your family or group. I don't want to talk too much more because I know that you want to look and see this immediately, but I'm going to mention one more thing before we dive in. And that is that on our website, mycaribbeanluxury.com, we have a special tool that allows you to answer a few questions and see which of the Sandals or Beaches properties is best suited for your vacation desires. So make sure to have a look at that. And of course, any questions you have, my team and I at Reliant Destinations, we're here to help. Hello, it's ReliantDestinations.com is how you can reach out. It's 100% complimentary. It's funded by Sandals and Beaches on your behalf, allowing you to step into your vacation and have the true experience of your dreams. We have helped thousands and thousands of couples and families over the years go to Sandals and Beaches and create many, many lasting memories, and we hope that for you and your family, we can do the same. But for now, let's go ahead and jump straight into this 4VP tour here at Beaches Negril. Let's go. So there you have it. This has been your behind the scenes look at the 4VP. Yes, that Firesky Reserve Villa with those 4 amazing bedrooms here at Beaches Negril. Any questions you have, please don't hesitate to reach out. As we mentioned at the start of this video, hello@ReliantDestinations.com is how you can do that. Again, that's hello@ReliantDestinations.com. Please do make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel where we have literally hundreds and hundreds of videos about sandals and beaches, and each year we put out a refreshed resort tour of every property. So if you want to see this property as a whole, we have both an aerial tour and a ground tour of this property. We also have various other suites and rooms at this property and every other sandals and beaches in the portfolio as well. So make sure to have a look at those. We look forward to seeing you back here on the channel soon, and perhaps we'll even cross paths one day in one of these spectacular resorts. Take care. We'll see you next time.